Paul said, you missing the whole point of what I'm talking about. Why these other folks didn't give to Paul, y'all? Because they thought Paul didn't need it. And then the other folks didn't give because they didn't want to give it. Paul said, you don't get it. God is trying to test your faith. God is trying to fortify you. God is trying to show you something that you're having a problem with dealing with. Paul said, this ministry and this kingdom ain't about Paul. It's about me doing the will of God. Paul said, I suffered. Paul said, I've been naked. I've been in perils of my own countrymen, of the Jews. I've been robbed. I've been bit by snakes. I've been shipwrecked. I've been cold. I've been hungry. I've been left outside. I've just been through so much for the purpose that God has put in me, though, and for his glory. I've learned how to live abased and abound everywhere. Somebody say everywhere. You got a job you don't like? Everywhere. You with a spouse you having a problem with? Everywhere. You have an enemy that's following you everywhere you go? Everywhere. And in all things I am instructed both to be full and hungry